Okay, so it's Sunday now. What time is it here? Yeah, 11:11.
Make a wish.
Oh, I made a wish. And the weather's a lot nicer today than it was supposed to be, but it's also very windy here today, so far anyways. Yeah, and cold. So, we're off to the Bison. What's that park called now? Elk Island. We're gonna go see some bison and maybe some elk, whatever else is there. Should be an exciting day.
So windy.
I know, so windy.
Woo!
I've got my rain jacket in the car, so I'll probably throw that on to shield me from the wind. You wore your thick jacket? Yeah, I was just gonna say good. Alright, well, Leslie's gonna take control of the camera for a little bit because I'll be driving. Promising driving this whole time. We already saw some bison. Wow, like right a little bit. Where are we?
Oh, we're going right by. Oh, look, there's tons over there. Wow.
Yeah.
So we are at Elk Island
It's getting it.
National Park, and we are on Bison Loop Road, about to see some bison.
Should I keep going slowly then?
No,
Why?
you don't want to look at the bison?
I do. We can't stay here forever.
Well, everyone else in front of us is staying here forever.
Yeah, well, we could have stayed here if we wanted to, but you don't want to camp. We could have brought Rory and camped here. Now there's another car coming.
Oh, do you want to keep going?
Well, there's more things to see than just these bison.
These bison are
There's
so
elk
cool.
and deer and whatever else you said. Alright, so we're here at Astotin Lake, and somehow, hey, there's shelter! Yeah, we're at Astotin Lake. We're here, and it's cold. We're gonna walk 15 minutes out to the boardwalk, see the sea, and then come back to the car and head back in for a little bit.
This is the only walking we're doing. I've decided
Yeah.
this.
Oh, we might do a little bit more. We'll see. Yeah, and I'm all like this because there's so much wind. All right, are we ready? It's so crazy. I even have my mask on willingly, even though we're outside, because it actually helps with the wind and keeps your face covered. All right. All right, so we made it to the boardwalk. I can take this off. It's not super windy here yet. We made it to the boardwalk. My clip on my mic mount just broke.
I think it broke from the wind.
Break from the wind. Oh, it's like calmed down over here.
That's funny.
This is so cool. Alright, is there any fish to see? Did they say about any species of fish to see?
No.
Oh,
Birds.
there might not be any fish then. Oh, look at all the birds. Maybe we see a beaver out here. Back in the wind, but there's more ducks right there. And they're big.
There's some hiding though.
There's some hiding.
They're bum ducking it.
Where? Oh yeah.
See the trees?
Yeah, bum ducking. And yeah, that's what Leslie's brother used to call it, ducks. Because all you'd see is the bum of the ducks. Some dive out there. It could be maybe it was a beaver.
Or the bum duck?
Oh, maybe, but I didn't see a bum. I just saw a duck. I don't see it on the deck.
Along the path.
Yeah, it's just,
It looks like standing there.
and they got like super tall, long legs.
I've never seen that.
Let's see, I don't know. Maybe you can hear it.
The legs are so long. Look at the water like sloshing up onto the.
No, it's so cool. Oh yeah, we were.
Oh, there they go. Oh my god, look at that. That looks so crazy.
They're trying.
No, the water is what I'm seeing looks
Oh,
so
yeah.
crazy. It's like almost scary looking because it's just like attacking. See on this side. Oh my god.
No, Ken's. What's the word? Ken is. Yeah, it's so cool. Wow, look at that! Just come through the. Oh, that's so cool.
Walking, Stephen. Oh my god. Oh, we made it out alive. That was stressful.
I'm going out to the deck just to get the see what it looks like out here because it's so cool, like the waves and stuff. Okay, so yeah, Leslie's got the camera, and I'm gonna walk out here just for the view. It's get like the coolness. There's a little bit of water coming through, a little bit of water coming through, but not really. I say. Yeah. Cool though. These waves are actually huge. I'm coming back now. Yeah. These waves are actually pretty cool from my point of view, but you can kind of see how they are. You can kind of see how they are from like shore. They're pretty big. And the wind is better now that the wind is to my back. And this is a cool time to come. Oh, in the wind. It makes it like everything more extreme. Leslie's shaking her head at me because she's very disappointed in my choices to come out here. We're at this Ukrainian building of sorts. Leslie, Dominic wanted to check out. What to say about it? It's old. Could be original. I think it'd be cool to see inside. It's got a thatch roof. What's to say? In honor of the Ukrainian pioneers of Western Canada.
I didn't even know there were Ukrainian pioneers in this part of the country.
Through there. They dive underneath. Maybe they have a camera or something.
Or maybe it's
Oh, there's a car coming. Shit, I need to go around.
They're smart enough to take it around.
That could be a wolf.
I think it's a wolf.
There's
There's pictures on here. Yeah, that's a wolf.
Wow, there we go.
It's 100% a wolf.
That's great. There.
It's super cute. Can I be your friend? You're super cute.
Yeah, they're just like dogs.
Woo! 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 Why is he by himself? Are they usually a herd animal?
No. Oh, right there.
Oh my god! Hi.
Wow. Oh no, it didn't move. It's still there.
Hi. What is one in the
Oh yeah, and the
trees?
books in the trees, yeah, they're just like right here, chilling out. Is all these police? Are they police? Are they what? Yeah, they're police. Yeah, or something bad is really going on. Very cool view.
This is super cool. Look at those buildings.
Yeah, we
Amazing
have.
Race.
We have. It is.
That's Amazing
They have
Race.
us here. Oh, weird little bridge. The train's on top of us. Or a train, I think, of some sorts.